In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ranking question in Google Forms using a multiple choice grid. If you want people to rank options, like products, priorities, or preferences, the multiple choice grid is the cleanest way to collect consistent, comparable answers. Let's walk through it together so your respondents can easily assign a unique rank to each item without confusion. First, open Google Forms in your browser. You can start fresh by choosing a blank form. Or, if you already have a form in progress, open that existing form so the ranking question fits into your current flow. Either approach works the same from here on. On the right-hand toolbar, click the plus button to add a new question. You'll see a new question card appear. By default, the question type usually shows multiple choice. Click that drop-down to see all available formats, then select Multiple Choice Grid. This special grid lets you present items in rows and ranking positions in columns, so each respondent makes one selection per row and one selection per rank. Now, set up your rows. These are the items you want people to rank. Type each item on its own line. For example, apple, banana, orange. Use clear, mutually exclusive labels so no two options feel like duplicates. The order you list them in doesn't affect the ranking. Respondents will decide that. Next, define your columns. These are the ranking numbers. Type them as simple numerals that match the number of items you have. For 3 items, enter 1, 2, 3. If you have 5 items, you'll want 1 through 5. Keeping the count of columns equal to the number of rows ensures every item can receive a distinct rank. To maintain response quality, turn on Require a response in each row. This prevents people from skipping any item and guarantees a complete ranking for every submission. Then, turn on Limit to 1 response per column. This is crucial. It stops respondents from assigning the same rank to multiple items, so you don't end up with duplicates like 2 items both ranked 1. At this point, your ranking question is ready. The grid structure guides respondents to choose exactly 1 rank for each item, and the settings enforce a proper 1-to-1 match between items and rank numbers. With clear item names and well-labeled ranking columns, you'll collect tidy, analyzable data every time.